What can you see in this spring? What can you hear from its power? As a trainee at the Railway Bureau in Taiwan, a young man was fascinated by the spring mechanisms of trains. He marveled at how they required a combination of strength to support the weight of a multi-ton train and the resilience to provide a comfortable ride for passengers. That young man was Jack Chen. And for nearly 35 years, Jack Chen has overseen the growth and success of one of the world's top mattress manufacturers, Stylution. Today, Stylution has grown to become a major mattress manufacturer, synonymous with the highest levels of quality and service in the industry.
We have a 1 million square feet facility for production mattress. We have a 16 curing machine, 32 table edge machine. We can produce 4,000 pieces a day, 1 million pieces a year.
Our name says it all, a solution with style that satisfies your distinctive needs and tastes. After many years of developing expertise in the industry, we at Stylution understand that what goes inside our mattresses makes all the difference. Unlike most manufacturers, we produce all of our own inner springs for every Stylution mattress. This allows us to offer 100% quality assurance to all our customers and to gain a significant cost advantage as well. Here in our factory, we're equipped with the very latest pocketed coil machinery, along with today's innovative LFK and Bonnell machines. We've also developed the patented coil-in-coil design, a unique coil that combines the best qualities of pocketed coil and Bonnell coil construction.
We've recently begun producing our own viscoelastic and polyurethane foams in-house. A complex computer-controlled formulation process is the first step in foam production. Once that is completed, the pouring of the foam is initiated, and the foam is allowed to expand naturally through a chemical reaction process. Each individual pour evolves into a finished block of foam of a specific density and ILD. Each foam block is 50 meters in length and cut to preset sizes to meet individual needs. This is accomplished through a series of cutting machines. Our new foam production line allows us to make a full range of polyurethane foam products with specific ILDs and specific densities. When combined with our innerspring production, it means that we have optimal cost and quality control over 85% of our raw materials. The foam we produce is environmentally friendly, meeting all ODC requirements as well as the FR standards of the UK and the US.
Stylution quality comes from professional management. We can 100% control our foam quality.
The quality of our internal components, like foams and fabrics, is second to none. Today our ticking comes from Belgium, Spain, Holland, the US, and of course, China. The actual manufacturing process begins with quilting. The exquisite quilting on each Stylution mattress is the result of tireless dedication to coordinating the appropriate quilt pattern to the fill and cover on a particular mattress. This is then combined with state-of-the-art computer-driven technology. Today's Stylution has the highest quilting capacity in the world. Once the quilting process has been completed and the panel is inspected, the panel then moves to the sewing area where 200 machines and operators begin work on readying the quilted panel for attachment to the border. Every panel passes through a metal detection system to ensure that no broken quilting needles have been left in the quilt. This extra safety measure, avoided by most manufacturers, is a reflection of the care that goes into every Stylution product. At this stage, the upholstery materials, including convoluted foam, latex, viscoelastic, and polyurethane foam, are carefully layered in varying combinations on the inner spring unit to create a specific comfort and support level. Once assembly is completed, the product is ready for tape edging. At Stylution, we use 32 of the finest tape edge machines from around the world. These machines are operated by experienced workers who have shown their skill and attention to fine detail in other areas of the factory for a minimum of 3 years. With today's thicker mattresses, we often use 2 experienced operators to ensure a perfectly straight tape edge, with rounded corners on every mattress. It may cost us more, but we think the customer deserves it. To guarantee that everything is just right, a specialized team of experts carefully examines over 20 points on each mattress. Once a Stylution mattress is completed, it undergoes a rigorous packaging and labeling process before being shipped. Some beds are compressed for more efficient shipment. From the heating chambers down to the anti-static flooring, Stylution meets or exceeds all of the strictest international standards for quality and safety. We are also certified under the ISO 9001 and the ISO 14001 standard. Not everything at Stylution happens on the factory floor. In order to provide key logistical support services and to keep operations running smoothly, we have a team of dedicated personnel who work in our state-of-the-art administrative center. Yes, a lot has changed at Stylution since the youthful Jack Chen had a dream and a fascination with springs. The original factory with 4 employees has grown to a 1 million square foot facility with over 1,600 workers producing mattresses, upholstery, and case goods. Shipping to customers around the world. But some things haven't changed. The drive to produce the best product possible at the best price possible remains the cornerstone of Stylution's success.
What differentiates Stylution is our desire and commitment to produce a quality product every day and deliver it to your store. The other thing that differentiates us is our commitment to door-to-door service. The price you pay is delivered to your store, so you know exactly what your cost is. And probably the most important thing is we deliver a product that you'll be proud to sell and your customers will be glad they purchased.
From start to finish, all of us at Stylution work together as a close cooperative unit.
That's a win-win situation for everyone.
Choose the best, Stylution.
Stylution #1!
Open your mind, open your world. Stylution.